How I made $40 online using solo ad marketing. So hello, it's Basi here and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show you how I do use solo ads marketing to send traffic to my offer. Okay, so if you check on YouTube or other platform, you will see people saying solo ads are cold traffic, they don't work, and all the rest. And what I know is that even if you order an ad, even if you place an advert on Google, the people that will come on your capture page, these are people who don't know you and you don't know them. So every traffic online is cold traffic. That's what I would say. So it might work for you, it might not work for you. So, but what I know is that if you can generate traffic and send traffic, you those traffic they can convert and you can earn some money from it. Now, before I proceed with this video, income disclaimer, and what I'm going to show you in this video does not guarantee that if you come and buy solo ad and whatever you're doing it at your own discretion. So, but I'm showing you what is working for me. If it makes sense and you want to learn, go ahead and continue to watch this video to the very end because I'm going to show you proof that solo ad marketing work. Now, solo ad marketing, who are the people who use solo ad marketing? Solo ad marketing works a lot for affiliate marketing. If you are an affiliate marketer and you're just beginning, this is the easiest way to get eyeballs, to get traffic to your business as quickly as possible. Now you can see this is traffic that I bought, okay, in January, around January 2nd of January 2023. I bought this traffic, okay. You can see I got it from this guy. There's not a guarantee that if you buy with him, you're going to get sales like I did, but I'm just showing you. And if you can take a look, you'll see that there are so many other people I bought those traffic from. So you can see 2nd of January, I bought that ad. It was 250 ads that I bought, clicks that I bought, and he delivered 288 clicks, which is 15% over delivery. That's what he did promise me he was going to deliver. Now, out of these 288, I did receive up to almost about 100 and 50 102 or 103 opt-ins, people that actually filled the capture page and went in to see what I was promoting. Okay, and this capture page is built by a veteran in the industry in internet marketing who he knows what he's doing, so he created this capture page. I just took it like that. I did not change anything, I didn't edit anything. I used that capture page and I had a fantastic result because more than 100 opt-ins. That's almost about 34, 38 to almost 40% conversion. Okay, so now I came to this website. This website is called Udemy. So if you're watching, this is called Udemy. If you want to take a look at this website, how the whole thing works, you can create a free account, log in there, check solo deals like this. Solo deals, you see these are people, okay, for the $3 a click, for the 3 cents a click, and people are ordering. So if people who say solo ad does not work, why do people order them? You can see this guy has sold 11,684 orders. It has been placed. This guy 17 orders. Some different people, ordering clicks from them. And then you can see many other marketers. Let me go back to the solo deals. So solo deal. So if I scroll down, you see a lot of people placing orders. Okay. And some people will be telling you that solo ad does not work. I don't believe that solo ad works. So I want to prove it to you. So I'll go to the business I have been promoting. Now I registered with this business late December. Okay. It's called Powerlit System. So I registered with them. I wasn't promoting it and then I wasn't doing anything. 2nd of January, I bought 250 clicks. Okay, so I log into my account. So when you log in here, you see this will come up. Just scroll down to the bottom and then click continue, enter TPS. Now there are different levels here. The gold level, the emirate, the diamond, the platinum, and then the elite. Okay, so those ones that are showing greens are the ones that I have upgraded. The ones that are not showing greens, I've not upgraded those ones yet. Now if I go to my account, I go to predicted commission. I showed you on Udemy the day. It's a predicted commission. As you can see here, predicted commission, you can see the $20, $20, a total of $40 and from that traffic. Okay. Now you may say, oh, only $40 you make from that traffic. Yes, $40 that I made from that traffic. Don't forget that I have had emails. Now, if you check the date, if you check, that was on the 4th, okay, on the 4th of January of this year. Now, if you check the date I ordered those ads, if I go back to home, if I go back to home and you can see on the 2nd of January, that was when I ordered that ad, those clicks. So solo ad actually works, okay? So if you're doubting it, you don't believe it, solo ad marketing is the easiest. Now, let me show you how you place your ad. If you want to buy some clicks, you just come here, look for deals, okay? Let's say I want to go for this one, just click on it, okay? So, and then I scroll to the top. Now it says, if I want to buy this 1,000 clicks, that will cost me $433 to buy that click, and there is a link there already. If I don't want to promote this particular link, I'll just remove the link. Just remove that link, put a different link. Now if I don't want to buy 1,000 click, I just click on this bar, scroll backward, just scroll backward, and you see, and it's showing me how much they're going for. So let's say I want to buy another 250 clicks, that will cost me $110. Okay, now if I want to buy say 400 clicks, that will cost me $175. Now it's not about how much money I make immediately I send this traffic. What really matters is the follow up, because I'll follow up, because what I do is I use this capture page. Let me show you an example. Like now, this is my capture page. I'm going to leave it underneath this video that you're watching right now. Feel free to click on it and then take a look at it. And if you're interested to buy some solo ads, feel free to do so. Well, that's not opening. Let me just, okay, let me use a different, sorry about this. Let me use a different browser. Let me go on this browser and then go on there. Okay, there is an issue somewhere there, but I just wanted to show you an example of a capture page that I used. Okay, now let me go into my Lead Sleep system, where I have created so many capture pages in here using this. Again, Leadly is a very good um, marketing system which I use for creating lots of capture pages. Okay, create lots of capture pages with this. So, example, that's a lead capture page. Let me open that. See, like this one now. Okay, so the solo ad that I order, then I fill in that their email, and then I now follow up with them. So I might not get sales, another sales from that particular market, from that particular solo ad that I bought. Okay, from that 102 or 104 leads that came in, so two bought. So now it's just to follow up with the remaining ones. And then those leads, unless they unsubscribe, if they don't unsubscribe, so they are in my list. So I will keep reminding them from time to time. So if they don't like that particular offer, later in the future, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, months to come, years to come, there will be some offers that I will present to them and they're going to like it. So I don't believe that solo ads does not work. Solo ad marketing is still working. Solo ad marketing is working very well for affiliate marketing. So if you are interested, or you are someone who is already making working online, you got some business and you're marketing, you're promoting, or you're interested to start something online, so you feel free to connect with me on Facebook. Feel free to click on the link under this video that you're watching and take a look at what I'm doing. Let's work together. I'm looking for partners all over the whole world to come and we work together. I've learned a lot from the industry. I've learned a lot from top leaders, so I can share that knowledge with you. I can also learn from you and we can work together. So solo ad marketing rocks. Solo ad marketing is still alive, is still working. So top marketers, they are still relying on solo ad marketing. So for those who don't understand what solo ad marketing is, okay, solo ad marketing is you got a bunch of people out there. They have built a very big email list. Okay, so they've been collecting emails from people who are interested in various programs that they were promoting or marketing online. So they end up having 50,000, hundred thousands of these people in a database that is called autoresponder. So, and then when this when as their list become very very big, so people like you and I that we just growing, we just start building, we want to get some traffic, or people want to get eyeball to our business opportunity. So we go to people like that, like on Udemy here and many other platforms out there. We go there and then we tell them, listen, I want 200 clicks, I want 500 clicks, I want 5,000 clicks, I want 1,000 clicks. And then they tell us how much they're selling it for. Then we buy it and then we give them our link, okay? And then they now send the traffic and the traffic goes to our link and we make sales, we collect the leads, we also start building our own and database. So that's how solo ad marketing works. Okay, solo ad marketing is still alive, it's still working. I just showed you how much I made from that one solo ad vendor, from that 250 clicks. So by the end of this week, now it's today is Thursday. I want to look at around Monday, which is the beginning of the week. I should get another clicks and send it there. And then that's how I want to rock in the year 2009, 2023. So start building and building, getting some money out from it, and then reinvesting it into the marketing and then grow it. And then I will be posting video from time to time. So feel free to subscribe and see how this journey is going, how I'm growing this business, because I have determined that this year I want to take it to another level. So I'll be posting video from time to time. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have received any value from what I have shared today from this video, thumbs up, click the thumbs up, and then click the notification button, and then also please subscribe. Help me to grow the channel. Okay, the more views and the more interaction within the channel, that will help me grow this channel to another level. And I really, really appreciate your help for doing that. Thank you very much. So that is it for this video. Solo ad marketing works. Solo ad marketing for affiliate marketing